Hi, I'm Derek.
I'm Tanya.
We're band Life Voyages. We started this channel with the sole purpose of getting people with disabilities out to go live life.
So we travel around in our wheelchair accessible camper van, trying to show people that if we can do it, they can do it.
And if I can do it, she can do it. And if she can do it, I probably can.
Getting people with wheelchairs. We have our van we love, wheelchair accessible camper van, and it takes us on lots of adventures. So.
I do the driving, it's safer.
Anyway, we had a wonderful week. And why is our week so great, Derek?
Good.
Besides you get to live with me. Every day.
Oh, you're getting kind of full of herself.
Getting a little confident on this, aren't I?
She's starting to sound like me. It's scary.
Anyway, let's do our happy dance. Ready? Go. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah, get it. Okay.
Throw it forward. Throw it forward, baby.
Anyway, we made our 1,000 subscribers.
Woo!
So the thumbnail that you see up here, or it's somewhere between us, is going to change. Okay, so you will not be seeing this one anymore, but we probably will have an update, something like this update anyway.
We will.
So you guys will still get to see what we're doing every couple weeks and have a little chat like this, but it just will have a different thumbnail because we can have our community tab.
Because we got 1,000 subscribers.
Whoop, whoop, all because of you guys. So we
Only because of you guys.
We cannot thank you enough. Both to the other creators and the non-creators that just support us and help us and watch our videos. We just can't thank you guys enough. It's been awesome.
Muchos gracias.
Yes, so we want to start a trend here on YouTube of what we're going to call Watch Hour Buddies. So, Derek's going to help me explain it a little.
Watch Hour Buddies. We want to start a little
between creators.
Program, trend, a little tit for tat, a little quid pro quo, a little scratch your back.
I'll scratch yours, you scratch mine.
Yeah, or you can scratch anywhere else you want.
Oh, stop it.
Oh, my bad. So what I was saying was, for content creators, we would like to do
a reciprocal program.
Reciprocity.
Yes,
look at you.
There you go. Look at that fancy.
She's all formal, like she's been legally trained. Running playlists. Everybody needs watch hours, whether you're monetized or not monetized.
We don't care if you're monetized or not monetized. We want to help each other
Everybody
out.
needs watch hours. So run our playlist. We run your playlist. From top to bottom, end to end.
So, it might last a few days. It could last.
It will take a couple days.
So at the end if you play it on another device at night when you're sleeping.
Oh,
whoops! This happens a lot.
Help me! I'm falling! Ow!
He's falling and he can't get up. So there I am. Saved you again, honey. Saved you again. You owe me your life. He owes me his life. Can you believe? Multiple times. It's like a cat with 9 lives, this guy. But it's probably much longer than 9 times I've had to save him anyway. Stories to follow. Someday you'll hear some stories, but not today.
No, you won't.
Anyway, the Watch Hour Buddies. If you play it at night when you're sleeping on another device somewhere, at the end of the night when you get up or whatever, say on video 28 of whatever playlist or something like that. So
make a comment.
Make a comment. It's kind of like a bookmark. And then the next night you can start at that video. Write it down. Start at video 48 or whatever it is.
Yep.
And watch the next whatever many videos overnight. And then make a comment. You don't have to make a comment on every video. Make a comment every now and again so people know that you're watching.
Of course, you can comment every video if you want to.
Yeah. If you're up all night, a night owl or something. And non-creators, you can help out by just helping us doing watch hours here and there, when you can. Do the playlist, but also, watch some old videos if you're new to our channel.
Specifically the ones you haven't seen before.
Yeah. That is very, very, very helpful. But we just can't thank you guys enough. So we're super excited to hit that 1,000. And both creators and non-creators and fans or people that support us, whatever you want to call yourselves, we cannot thank you enough. So let's roll into this week's live stream. Will be at the river.
In a van down by the river.
Dear Chris Farley. So we will be in a van down by the river, and we get to be camping with Box Fan D, so that's pretty cool. That's awesome. So she will be there at our live stream as well on Wednesday. But the following Wednesday, whatever day that is, not this Wednesday. Do you even know what day it is?
Today is the 5th.
Okay. And then Wednesday would be the 7th. So 14th. The 14th.
Ooh, the day before tax day.
Okay, there you go. The day before tax day, we will be having our party, our 1,000 subscriber party. So be there or be square, for real. And there are going to be lots of prizes. And probably drinking and probably shenanigans. I'm just gonna put it out there. Probably drinking, probably shenanigans. But
I'm wearing a party shirt. I'm gonna wear a party shirt.
Maybe I'll put on my party bandana. Who knows?
Maybe she'll wear a birthday suit.
Oh, we'd be banned before we would make our 1,000 and be banned. We'd be 1,000 ban those van life voyages. They're a little crazy, those people.
Hey now.
So then after this Wednesday's live stream at the river with Box Fan D, so be there. I have an interview with Box Fan D. She's doing an interview with me. And that will be in the Raid Parade Friday. So what the Raid Parade is, if you don't know, is a bunch of videos will be going back to back. It starts at 11. Premiere videos. Starts at 11 Pacific, 2 p.m. Eastern. And it goes till there's no more videos, basically. And then there's usually a live stream after.
Sometimes
so it starts at that time. And so I know this week there's
at least 4.
At least 4 videos, maybe more. Premiering. So you have to have your notifications set to all to get that, to make sure you get your notification of that.
Hit that bell.
Because not only Box Fan D is doing a video, we're doing a video. There's several other channels, probably 5 or 6 videos going back to back. So that'll be really, really cool. We love the support from that, and that community watching each other's videos is amazing. It's really helpful. So you want to be there for the Raid Parade, even if it's just your lunch hour and later you have to watch the rest. Whatever it is, we hope you join us on Friday. We don't know exactly what time our video is yet, but it'll be somewhere after 11, okay? 8 Pacific.
Everybody loves a big parade.
Oh,
a big parade.
Here we go.
Everybody loves a big parade.
Oh, wow. Wow.
You're so lucky.
Oh, I think our video in this week's Raid Parade will be about camping in Quartzsite. When we got to get we've got footage and stuff saved for camping in Quartzsite. Boondocking with Box Fan D, Johnny's Journey, and Kelly from Vanderella.
Getting left out in the cold.
And our friend Jan, and Cargo Dan, and Judy. So it'll be a good video.
And when I almost froze to death being shoved out into the cold.
Yeah. Well, you didn't, so you're alive. Another 9 lives moment, people.
I'm a survivor. I'm a warrior. And on Sundays, we will start alternating weekends with Miss Box Fan D.
Never. We're alternating a time slot with Box Fan D. She has always gone 5 p.m. Mountain Time, and we are the same time now, Pacific and Mountain Time, because her state doesn't change. Anyway, she explained that in a video, so go watch. Get the link above on Box Fan D explaining this situation, okay? There'll be some miracle box up here for you to click.
We'll be alternating weekends.
We will be alternating, and one Sunday it'll be her at 5, one Sunday it'll be us at 5. Back and forth.
We'll be alternating weekends, Box Fan D.
Okay, whatever. The content on those days, or will be focused on disability travel.
We're going to do more of a focus on disability and medical issues than we do on the Wednesday live stream. The Wednesday live stream is
fun.
more travel, have fun, giggle, ha ha. Whereas the alternating Sundays will be a little more serious, down to earth, and dig a little deeper into medical situations and what you may or may not need to help alleviate some burden.
Well, you're out there traveling about and living your life. Yeah. I mean, like one Sunday could be spinal cord injury issues, wheelchair issues, could be hidden disabilities, could be a medical condition.
It could be.
You will learn a lot, though. I can tell you that.
There are people out there who suffer from situations where they have all kinds of sexy and people discriminate against them because
well, I got the sexy plus a nursing degree. How about that?
Yeah, you do. Yeah.
So anyway, yeah, I do have a medical background. So there you go.
Excuse me, nurse. I need a sponge bath.
Oh, stop it! You crazy. Well, now you know why I can put up with this guy. Anyway. Get your mind out of the gutter and get it back to the people.
My bad.
People.
So, just to recap, we hit our 1,000 subs. Thank you so very, very much.
Without music, I'll put some music in here so it won't be so weird.
Yeah, please, because otherwise we just look
awkward. I'll put some music. Editing Tanya will add some music, okay?
And April 14th, the day before tax day, will be the party, the 1,000 sub party. Yeah, no more. And then we will alternating weekends with Boxman D, taking on a little bit more of a serious role and approach to disability travel, identifying and trying to solve some of the hardships that come with disability travel, camping, and going out and doing things.
And this Friday we'll be in the raid parade. So will Fox Fan D and several other channels.
It'll be awesome.
We don't know quite who yet, but just be ready, okay? Anyway.
Everybody loves a big parade.
You already did that.
I know, but I liked it. I want to do it again.
No, now wrap it up. Let's wrap this thing up. Let's go.
We're wrapped up, man. So be there or be square. Remember, when life throws you a curve, just roll with it.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Oh my God.
So when you hit the little button and you start recording, let me know, because I don't want to do anything goofy like that.
Well, you're wearing a shirt that says infidel. Could it get any more problematic on YouTube?
What are you talking about?
Infidel. This is more like his favorite team. You might be able to guess what his favorite team is with this shirt. Football team. Might be able to guess. Anyway.
Oh, is it going?
So they have to start. Start now. Hi.
Hi, I'm Derek.
I'm Tanya.
This is Life Voyages. We started this channel with the sole purpose of getting disabilities.
Start over.
Hi, I'm Derek.
I'm Tanya.
This is the Dochi Kaku.
Start over.
Thank you.
Not weekends, times. She goes Sunday, 5 p.m. Pacific. And we will be going the opposite Sunday. She's going every other Sunday. We'll be the opposite Sunday.
With Boxman D on Sundays at 4 Pacific.
No, 5. Erase that. Start over. We will go.
Just to recap, we thank you so much for helping us reach 1,000 subs. And that is just the beginning. We're going to stop. I think we will probably stop at about 150,000 subs.
Come on now, he's cracking me up. Anyway, let's wrap this up. So, we have to thank... Can you stop?